Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'm Svetlana Stavrova. First of all, I am very happy to study with the professional. He is truly a master of his craft. I truly appreciate the convenience of information delivery, the accessibility of the material, the existence of bonuses in addition to the lessons, extra masterclasses, guides, and a plethora of other valuable information. I also have great admiration for blog, where a wide range of issues that are extremely relevant to sketchers, especially those who are beginners, are consistently raised and discussed in a comprehensive manner. I came across Olga on the YouTube channel through her video on perspective, then stumbled upon her Instagram and was deeply inspired by her striking sketches. I thought to myself, wow, I really want to create interior sketches just like hers. I also involve myself in fashion illustration, but I do not possess an art education, so I made the conscious decision to try my hand at creating sketches of interior designs on my own. And I would like to point out that, in fact, after having lessons with Olga, sketches turn out in their own unique manner and become light, lively, and full of vitality. I extend my heartfelt wishes for your creative success, continuous development of your own skills, successful completion of projects, and experiencing all the best in life. Goodbye, and take care.